Man, I don't know. This hurricane, Dorian, did you hear? It was a Cat 5. It was down and just pounded the Bahamas.
Yeah.
Man, just laid waste to it. It's coming up this way. It died down, but then it picked back up to a Category 3. I don't know. I'm gonna go check the vineyards. People think about hurricanes. They always think about the wind, and of course that's devastating. But it's the rain that really does, or the water does most of the damage. And when you talk about vineyards, I mean, we've carefully taken care of these vineyards all year, and in Maryland, it's really hot and humid summers, and so we constantly have to spray various things to keep mold and mildew and stuff like that in check.
Tomorrow when I spray, I won't have any.
What's that?
What are you spraying tomorrow?
Well, I'll spray all the vineyard except what they're picking, and I'll spray. I don't know that we're not going to pick in a while. I'll spray some sulfur on. The rest of it, I'll put some other stuff on.
But you got to wait to the perfect time when those grapes are ripe to harvest them, and this Dorian is heading for us right at that minute. And those outer bands of rain, especially if she stalls, just sit there and dump and dump and dump. And so we get multiple different problems. One, the grapes are nearing ripeness, and when you get all that water, it goes down in the ground, and the grape plants suck it up and literally take those nearly ripe grapes and balloon them up, and they explode on the vine.
It's pretty good. That'll not only it'll turn these things into these things where it's basically killed it off. But it also doesn't do a lot of good for the leaf along the way.
Yeah, the leaves are already dead
Yeah, it is.
in those parts.
The only part that you care about is you don't want that to carry down into the fruit. If it does that, then that's a horrible mess.